Ka lempung yelek ka Meghalaya Games kebasan kalakut Tura PA Sangma Stadium ha ka arpau tarik kelalingkan. Hapdeng ka jingsong shit bat kebala penhun hijrut ya kinong petkai. Bat khamtam ya ki district ki bala kelalong ki Lahduh ha ka ni ke lempung. Baru ki dan hadu arpulai teli ki jat jingelek ka bala penlong Tura West Garo Hills District. Ka East Khasi Hills District kelayu bakan khur hadu lai spak san kendai teli ki takma. Kata shispak lai puar teli ki takma ksiar. Shispa santeli kita kemar rupa, bat shispa arpuar teli kita kemar nong. Ka district kabawan baar ha kamiet yuk khur takma day ka Ribhoy district, kabala yuk bakan khur nyup kendai teli kita kema, bakan thup ya arpunyo teli kita kema ksiar, arpuar teli kita kemar rupa, bat laipo teli kita kemar nong. Ka West Giant Hills district, kelawan ha kerdan balai hadian bakala khur hendri pupra teli kita kema, kentup ya arpusan teli kita kemaksiar, kat prateli kita kemarupa, bat arpusan teli kita kemarnong. Ka West Garo Hills kabalong ka district kabala pediang ban penlong ya kani kalempung, kalayo bakan khur nyupulai teli kita kema, kata kat nyaw teli kita kemaksiar, kat nyaw teli kita kemarupa, bat live kendai teli kita kemarnong. Habakren kum ukongsan haka janmit penhap ya keperda jong kani kalempung, Umentri rang bak kajela ukan rat ki sangma, ulakam bakasor kajela kabu ya kathong, bakan te pisah hakaliang jong ka sports, da ka bapai kemat ru artat ben penyo ya ki madan, bat ki jaka ya lek kai ki bakerpang ya ki samla ya lek kai jong kajela, da ka bapun kup buat syuk-syuk ya ki weipat ki badan keti, hakaban kentiu ya ka sports hakajela. Nalor kata ulaong bakajing penlong ya kum kini ki lempung, kaplelat na kabenta benti beni syuk-syuk, saya ke pat ke jingdon kam ki bakum ke jela ke dan kam benle kenang bakan la ban wanra iki lumpung ngele ka ki baper ki badakala ki longru kilat ban la ban pen kre ka national games ka ba ka sorba tura kan long ka jaka ka bala lem ban pen long ki katu kat ni ki jingele ka hapo jongka kat ba na kalyang menteri kataran ele ka uba syak der wardri umla klem da portu ya baro ki samla ele ka ki balawan ban yashim menta sya kan ni ke lumpung. Ki jing job jong kinong asim banta kalong kabor kabanya penhem syuk-syuk ya kamensi melek kai da kaba uker menru baha ka wei kasngi ansami kinong elek kai ling ba kani ke lempung ki ban yuak ban mi kmat ya ke India ha ki lempung ba elek kai ha ka perthai nalor kata uba syakler warjri ulakam baha ki sngi kisnam ki banang wan kindang ya mi pau syuk-syuk ki babun ki jingtai ya ki jaka elek kai ki bakenthop ya Khasi Hills Ampati Stadium PA Sangma Indoor Halls, Jengjal, Bajeng Doba Batha William Nagar, Kabalong Kumshi Benta Kathong Jong Kasorkar, Ban Plelat Eki Kun Samla Baking Kinjo Syakathong, Haka Jing Imyalek Kai Ka Jongki. Haka Ni Kasngi, Layo Ru Ka Jingkren Na Uba Donald Phillips Waklang IAS, Chief Secretary Kasorkar Jela, Dr. Vijay D. Kumar IAS, Commissioner and Secretary, Katarat Sports and Youth Affairs, Pak John F. Khasi, Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA, Pak Finally El Parian, General Secretary ka MSOA Bat Kiway.
My dear friends, youth has always been at the center of the strategy and the policy for our government. And this is evident from the kind of focus and the kind of importance that we have given to different aspects for the youth, like sports. As was mentioned many times before, that this particular games is the 5th edition in the history of our state. But more importantly, 3 out of the 5 were held during the time of this government. And hence it reflects the importance that we give to sports. Not only is it about conducting the sports and the games, but if you look at the investments that have been made in sports infrastructure, we have made more investments in the last 5 years than what was invested in sports infrastructure in the last 45 years. And you'll be happy to know that many such stadiums, many track and field stadiums, many artificial turf stadiums, natural turf stadiums indoor stadiums, many infrastructures will be coming up in the months and years to come. And this is being done to enable us to provide the youth with the necessary infrastructure to excel in different sports. I am also working along with the Honorable Minister to look at the possibilities of having centers of excellence for different disciplines. Because without professional support, without professional guidance, we will not be able to compete at the national and the international level. So therefore, professional approach, specialization will be the next step for this government to ensure that these athletes, those who have won medals in these games, will one day win medals at the national game and even in the international arena. That is the goal that we have, that one day there will be an athlete from the state of Meghalaya who will make Meghalaya and India proud by winning a medal in the Olympics. It is with that target and with that vision, with that goal, that we as a government are moving forward today. Friends, the games are another way in which we are able to bring in more economic development, different infrastructures to different parts of the state. You will be happy to know that we have invested a large amount of money to create the infrastructure for the accommodation of all our athletes. These investments that we have made are in different schools, in different colleges. After these games, these infrastructures will be now used by the schools and the college. Therefore, the investments we have made will not go to waste. It is a blessing in disguise for the town and for the schools and the colleges. Similarly, as we take forward the games to a different district, the infrastructures in those districts will also come up. Not only is it infrastructure, but when we have games like these, the economy of that location also grows. We are able to provide different kind of economic opportunity to the local people living in that particular area. Therefore, it is with great happiness I would like to inform you that we will be taking the games to a new district in the next edition of the Meghalaya Games. Any guesses where it's going? I can't hear you. I still can't hear. I can see one gentleman in the corner out there, sitting out there. He looks like the MLA from Hawaii. I'm wondering why he is here. Friends, I know that all of you would want the games to come to your district. I can assure you that we will make sure that the games go from one district to another. This is to encourage the local athletes and also to build up the infrastructure in those areas. But there are some districts which may not have the infrastructure immediately. Therefore, looking at all the aspects, as a government, after going through a lot of homework, we have decided that the next games of the Meghalaya Games, the 6th edition of the Meghalaya Games, will be held in Hawaii. I'm also happy to inform you that like we have started today, where we had the closing of the Meghalaya Games here in Tura, it coincided with Meghalaya Day. I'm also happy to inform you that we will be following the same tradition in July. So July will also host the Meghalaya Day celebration next year. Friends, these games have also been special for another 2-3 reasons. Number one is that we had traditional sports this time. I am very keen to see that we promote our traditional sports. Let me assure the people of the state that we will ensure that our youth are always connected to their culture, are always connected to their roots, so that they don't forget where they have come from. And therefore, in sports also, it is important to invest and to put proper structure in the traditional sports of our state. And hence, we will have a separate program and policy on how we can promote our traditional sports and ensure that in the 6th edition, these games can be held in a much better manner. Also, my friends, you are all aware that after 52 years, we have finally come with our state anthem. And the Honorable Governor today, online from Syllad, had launched the state anthem. I would like to very proudly tell you that you will be, for the first time in any government function, we will be closing these Meghalaya games by playing the state anthem. So this will be played for the first time in the history of our state, and all of you are fortunate that today you will witness the closure of these games with the state anthem. To end, I would like to tell our athletes, you are the future of our state. The youth is the future of our state. We believe in you. We have high hopes from you. We would want you to move in the right direction. We would like to give you opportunities so that the best comes out in you. We are doing our best to provide that opportunity to you. But it is up to you to take these opportunities, work hard, improve yourself, and make sure that you are able to become responsible citizens of this state and of this country. Friends, the youth is our biggest asset. And therefore, for us to invest in you, all these expenditures, all these programs that we have are not just monetary expenditures for us. This is the investment in the future of the state. And that is why we give all the importance to these games. I only want to tell you a few things. Be humble in life. Be a good human being. Help each other. Be kind to each other. If you do not have these qualities in you, then you can never be successful and happy in life. You must have come out of these games with great memories. You must have made great friends. Cherish these moments. Remember these moments. Continue to build the relationship, the friendship that you have developed in these games. I hope that all of you will go back with good memories about these games. I know everybody did not get a medal. Getting a medal is important, but it is not everything. As mentioned before, the participation you had the different kind of experiences you have, the different kind of things you have learned. I think these are more important as we move forward in life. I wish you all the very best. Practice hard because you have 12 months before you have to once again go to Dubai to compete in the 6th Meghalaya Games in 2025.